good day. Today we are going to be focusing on a source document that is called Invoice Received. So it means that a business here is receiving an invoice. So let's say this is us as a business, and then let's say this is a company who is sending the invoice to us. So company C. So this person is sending the invoice to us. We are receiving the invoice. Right? Now, but before you continue, when is this source document used? This source document, it is used when the business is buying the goods on credit, or when the business is buying the goods on account. Okay, so that is where this invoice is received. So where do we receive this invoice from? We receive this invoice from someone who is called a creditor. Now, what is a creditor? A creditor, this is someone that a business owes money. So the business is owing the creditor. We are owing the creditor for buying the goods on credit from them. Right? So we buy the goods from a creditor. So then a creditor, they issue an invoice to us. When they are issuing an invoice to us as a business, we are receiving that invoice. Right? So actually, in this case, we are receiving an original invoice because we are the one who are receiving the invoice. So it's an original invoice because we are the one who are receiving an invoice. So it means that when the business is buying the goods on credit, the invoice that is used there, it is an original invoice received. So which is used in the creditor's journal. So in a creditor's journal, we record all the things that we bought on credit. Can either be goods or something else, but whenever we're buying something on credit, we record it in a creditor's journal. And whenever we're buying something on credit, we receive an invoice. When we are receiving that invoice, it is an original invoice. Okay?